your favorite color? Here's a sheet with a crayon box, but there's no colors on it. What can you do to tell us what your favorite color is? Is it blue? Is it red? Is it yellow? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it pink? Do you have more than one color that you like? There's lots of crayons that you can decorate with everything that's in your pencil box. Choose a color. You can write your name. If you need help writing your name, you can have somebody at home help you. You can also decorate something down here with your favorite color. You can make whatever you want. If you like rainbow colors, you can make a little rainbow down here. You can make an apple. We've been talking a lot about apples. You can make an apple, whatever your favorite colors are. If you have more than one, fill it in. Have a good time. Bye, friends.